Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to check true tone on iPhone. So for this, the first step is to find the iPhone settings. Just tap to the settings, and so from here you will just little bit scroll down to find display and brightness. So just tap to display brightness. So when it's open, you will see in the below you will see the true tone button. It's turned on. So this is how to find true tone on iPhone. It's very easy and simple. You can also directly find to swipe up from the down and just hold it the brightness, and you will see this the blue icon is true tone is on. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.